Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard VC channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add card details to the Bitwarden Password Manager website extension. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up our extension, and then we're going to press on the plus icon on the top right in the vault. And now select card, and here we are going to fill out all of the card's details. So this is going to be name, the name on the card basically, or sorry, this is not the name of the card, this is the name of the saved like card details. So this is what you're going to name this item. So new card, you can add it to a folder if you want by creating a folder in the menu. Here is where we enter the card details. So this is where the card holder's name goes. So this is going to be test name, or just the name on the card, and just enter all of the details it's asking you to do here. Once you've done that, just press save, and a new item was added, and you can check it out by going back to the vault. And here in the cards section, you will find your card. You can press on it to check out some details, or you can just press fill so it automatically fills in if you need that. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.